Uy, dumating na rin finally ang Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. And kasabayan ng lumabas ang S25 at si S25 Ultra during the Galaxy Unpack event. So ano nga meron dito? Snapdragon 8 Elite ang kanyang processor, triple na 50MP camera with up to 8K na 30fps recording, 4,900 mAh ang kanyang battery with a 45 watts na charging capability na walang charging brick. More details after this quick intro. Na ito hawak natin right now is a blue-black na color which is a exclusive color para sa mga bumili sa Samsung online sa kanilang official website, by the way. And ang kanilang 12 gigs of RAM and a 512 gigs of storage, ang kanilang SRP 76,990, and right now naka-flash sale siya sa Lazada sa kanilang flagship store for 62,990. More details on the description box below. Now, if you buy early to phone na ito, it comes together with some freebies. Siyempre, meron thank you card, meron kang free case na ang ganda. This is probably one of the more premium case na nakita ko from Samsung. Gusto ko lang i-brag sa inyo, no, na itong case looks really nice, transparent ang kanang gilid, masarap ang feel nito sa likod, no. Probably, I'm not too much of a case guy, pero it seems to me, magandang hawakan tong likod niya. Slide down mo lang to, it becomes yung panghawak mo dito sa kanya, which is definitely good. Magandang grip ko dito. I love tong case na to. At seriously speaking, no, magandang case dito. And it also comes together with a Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 na freebie if you buy during the pre-order stage. So I'm pretty sure flooded ng FB Marketplace at dami nagbebenta nitong Galaxy Watch 7. So habang nag-review tayo ng S25 Plus natin, na-receive natin tong package ito from our friends from Pitaka, and this is the cases for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Sad to say, hindi ako nabigyan ng S25 Plus and hindi rin siya umabot nung nag-review tayo ng S25 Ultra. Buksan muna natin. So, ito na. Uy, ganda ng packaging, ha? So, tanggalin muna natin the plastic. Ganda ng kanang gift box, ha? And a special note from their CEO, James. And sabi niya, number 63 tayo. Buti na lang hindi 69. We got two cases over here. We got a collaboration shirt, phone bag, and phone strap. Pero syempre, ito yung highlight. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ooh, Pitaka. Setup guide. Uy, looks nice, ah. Kita nyo guys, may magnet dito sa likod. And ang premium tingnan ng kanyang case. This is the color black na case niya. I'm pretty sure na sobrang protected ang yung Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra dito. And ang kakaiba sa kanya dito is meron siyang 3 special na button na pwede nyo i-configure dito. Pwede nyo i-customize to, depende kung anong gusto nyo call out dito sa kanyang 3 function button. I do hope mahiram ko yung S25 Ultra ng friend ko para matry natin itong 3 button na ito. Ito na may itsura niya dito sa ilalim. May butas siya pang S Pen. And ito na may itsura niya on the other side. Masarap feel niya, and magandang grip din sa aking kamay. Ang tawag pala sa kanya is the pin button case. Military grade ang kanyang protection, and it's made out of aramid na fiber to make it lightweight. Next naman is the tactile woven case na Lumin Text Edition. So, wow. Ganda. This looks even nicer. Meron siyang magnet din sa likod. And I like yung kanyang camera protection dito. Kakaiba. Open ang kanyang sides para sa button. And ganito itsura na sa ilalim. And ito itsura na sa ilalim. Smooth din ang finish sa likod. And maganda rin naman ang grip nito sa aking kamay. This is even lighter. Hindi ko lang kung ilang grams lang to. So kung meron kang S25 Ultra, check out these cases from Pitaka. More info sa description box. Now, talk about yung kanyang design. Yung kanyang design, nothing really has changed that much compared sa Galaxy S24 Plus na review natin kamakailan lang last January. And ito ang kanyang 3 camera ring sa likod, which also looks like the S24 Plus. And likod nito is a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 na protection. Ang kanyang gilid is Armor Aluminum 2 frame. And ang kanyang harap is also a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Very responsive ang kanyang buttons dito sa gilid, and be it the volume rocker and of course the power button. And may makita ka mga antenna bands all over the phone. This is a sign na it's a metal na frame. Design category, nothing much has changed. Pero one of my favorite talaga ang Plus series. And by the way, magaan siya at 190 grams. Now, this phone is being powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite. It's one of the best chip available by Qualcomm right now. And sad to say, it barely hit 2 million points sa Antutu benchmark. I tried several times dito. Siguro, I think, niran ko siya ng 5 times. And halos lahat nakuha ko below ng 2 million points. And this is the highest na nakuha ko so far at 1.94M. Ito ang kanyang breakdown score. 5,800 loop score and 37% ang kanyang stability dito sa Wildlife Extreme. Ito ang nakuha ko dito sa CPU benchmarking ng Geekbench. Ito naman sa kanyang GPU benchmark. Hindi ka matutuwa sa thermals niya, no? And it throttled to 40% ng kanyang best performance. Now, usapang battery tayo. This one has a 4,900 mAh na battery, supporting up to 45 watts na fast charging. Sad to say, walang charging brick. So, I would suggest that you either get yung mga Anker or U-Green na charging bricks. Meron din siya 15 watts na wireless charging and 4.5 watts na reverse wired charging. Now, on a daily average usage, kaya naman na magtagal ng one whole day. Pero nung time na nag-heavy usage ako dito, I think starting the day at around 8 o'clock, siguro around nasa 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, nag-charge na ako ng phone. And nung sinalang ko to sa PC Mark na battery stress test, I got a 12.5 hour na screen on time based sa 50% brightness and 60 Hz na screen refresh rate. Na pag-usapan natin ngayon display. Magandang display nitong phone na ito, and honestly, I've been watching several films dito and sobrang natuwa dito. Also watching Dragon Ball Daima dito. I think I watched 3 episodes dito and natuwa naman ako dito. So, magandang display. And this one has a 6.7-inch na dynamic LTPO AMOLED na display with 120 Hz screen refresh rate. Ang kanyang maximum brightness is 2,600 nits and meron siya 92% na screen-to-body ratio, which means manipis ang kanyang bezels dito. And nung nagbabrowse naman ako ng social media dito, I was able to enjoy naman dito sa kanya. Swipe lang naman dito and mabilis naman siya mag-respond dahil maganda ka na refresh rate dito sa phone and wala kang maging problema as long as you have a good internet connection. Swiping on this phone definitely is fast and mag-enjoy ka talaga. Plus, watching your favorite shows dito, okay na okay kasi ang ganda, sharp ang mga photos and videos na makikita mo dito sa kanya. So I did play 4 game title dito sa kanya. I played Genshin Impact, Wuthering Waves, Farlight 84, and Call of Duty Mobile. Pagdating sa Genshin Impact, mag-enjoy ka naman dito sa game na ito. Sinagad-sagad ka naman ka ng graphics and, well, honestly, nag-enjoy naman dito sa kanya. I love the way yung gameplay dito sa kanya. And though the screen is a little bit smaller than the S25 Ultra, but nevertheless, yung kanang gameplay, smooth naman ang experience ka dito sa kanya. Halos wala mo na feel na frame drops sa kanya. And surprisingly, after playing for 30 minutes, it's just only 39 degrees Celsius. Pagdating naman sa Wuthering Waves, medyo mas heavy ang graphics nito. Though, honestly, wala mang naging problema sa gameplay. Though there are some minor frame drops na na-feel ko along the way, but it's nothing really serious. Medyo hindi mo naman siya mapapansin pag medyo nababakbakan na kaya, no? And true enough, okay naman kanyang sounds. Was able to enjoy. Yung kanyang touch response good. And pinakamainit na na-achieve na dito is quite hot at 45 degrees Celsius. Pagdating naman sa Farlight 84, halos isang oras ko nilaro tong game na ito on a air-cooled na room. Hindi aircon na air-cooled. Electric fan lang katapat ko and playing the game was quite smooth. The controls is good, the graphics is good, and though there are times na may na-feel akong minor frame drops, pero medyo hindi naman siya kapansin-pansin. And wala naman ako na-feel na lags along the way. Nag-enjoy ako sobra dito sa ng gameplay. And pinakamainit na na-achieve na is 38 degrees Celsius. Call of Duty Mobile, sagad-sagaran din ang graphics na nilagay natin. And kaya naman perform dito. Mani-mani lang naman sa Snapdragon 8 Elite. And definitely, ma-enjoy mo itong game nito if you're a fan ng Call of Duty Mobile. Magandang kanyang graphics, magandang kanyang touch response dito sa kanya. And definitely, wala ka ma-feel na lags sa game na ito. After playing for 30 minutes, 38 degrees Celsius na ang nakuha natin. Now, one thing na pinatry sa akin na aking kaibigan is kung merong call recording dito sa phone na ito. And sad to say, tinry ko tumawag on several calls. And I would honestly tell you na walang call recording on the local variant ng Samsung S25 Plus. Meron daw sa Korean variant. Napag-usapan na natin ang camera on this phone. Meron siyang 50MP na main camera sensor with OIS. Meron siyang 10MP na telephoto lens na may up to 3 times optical zoom. And meron siyang 12MP na ultra-wide lens with a super steady video. This one can shoot you up to 8K and 30. Hanggang front-facing camera is 12MP na can let you shoot up to 4K and 60. Now, simulan muna natin with some of the outdoor shot na nakuha natin from the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Now, looking at some of these plans na nakuha natin, sharp na sharp, mga photos, you really appreciate yung ganda niya. Pag zoom in mo, kitang-kita mo mga details dito sa bulaklak na ito. and checking other flowers dito. Looks really nice. And what's nice dito sa kanya is hindi saturated ang kanyang pagka-green, no? And taking more green shot dito, makita mo natural ka ng green. Hindi siya OA. That's one thing na nagustuhan ko dito sa camera na ito. And looking at this tall building shot, looking good. And medyo wala na masyadong details sa kanyang cloud. Now, nilaro naman natin ang kanyang different lenses. This is ultra wide shot, normal, 2 times, 3 times, 10 times zoom, 20, and ito ang 30 times zoom niya. Medyo, ano na siya, soft when it comes to 30 times zoom. Pero yung kanyang 10 times zoom is still very acceptable. And one thing na ma-appreciate mo dito sa kanya is kanyang ultra wide shot. And ang kanyang normal shot, same ang kanyang colors. Now, further taking some outdoor shot, talagang ma-appreciate mo ang camera na itong Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Was able to get me some really nice shot dito. Ang ganda tingnan, no? Very relaxing tingnan yung mga photos na ito habang nasa Harbor Square ako dito sa CCP. And yeah, buti nga the sky is blue, kaya I was able to capture some really nice shots just like this one. And I was able to take a quick snap dito sa pusa nito. Okay naman, no? Kita mo yung mga details dito sa kanyang fur, tsaka kanyang whiskers is still intact. Now, low light naman ang pag-uusapan natin. I was able to take some really good shots din sa full photography dito. And looking at some of these shots, so makita mo talaga sharp na sharp. And kitang-kita ko kahit yung mga sugar dito sa candy na ito looks very intact, no? Very detailed talaga makita mo sa kanya. Sometimes some simple shot like this one looks really nice, kitong coffee shot na ito. And taking some other shots like this one, makita mo clear na clear ang ganda subject and blurring it all the way to the background. Kapag kumukuha ka naman ng mga gown shot, makita mo mga beads is very detailed pa rin pag zoom in mo. Pati dito, no? Gintang kita mo, ganda ng kanyang details. And we're taking some flower shot naman dito, okay din to. This is one of a very nice example. Kung ginawa mo naman itong figure na ito na may ilaw, may LED light, maganda. Litaw na litaw ka ng color. Pati itong mga hearts na ito, no, na may ilaw, looks really nice. Very dramatic ang kanyang finish. Taking some wine shot, and it looks really nice. Very captivating. Pati some simple shots sa mga sapatos looks really nice and very sharp din. Now, usapang selfie naman tayo, when it's outdoors, makita mo naman, very clear ang aking mukha. And halos kunting retouch lang siya, no, by default, para mo ginalaw sa kanyang beautification. And you get some really nice details naman from yung kanyang front-facing camera. Now, it's time to go indoor. Mapapansin mo, no, medyo nagiging soft na yung mga photos na nakaka-capture natin on indoor. But bigyan mo ng magandang lighting, no, you'll be able to capture some good ones din. Hindi lang masyadong impress ka ng front-facing camera pagdating sa indoors. Now, kanyang front-facing camera, when you're using it for vlogging, maganda. Honestly, it's one of the better cameras, no, from Samsung. I always love yung kanyang Plus series na. It was able to give me a really nice, sharp na video on outdoors. Pagdating naman sa kanyang rear camera, expect mo a really nice 4K 60fps na video dito, smooth na smooth, and you see na I'm just using my bare hand, walang gimbal yan, while I'm walking dito sa Harbor Square, and I'm pretty sure na kaya na maging a good vlogging camera. Now, one of the things na siguro ma-appreciate nyo rin pala dito is meron siyang eSIM capability. And this phone also comes together with a 7 major na Android updates. So, if you're Android 15 right now, let's do the math. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So, you should be updated up to Android version 22. Yung nga lang dinedeli ni Samsung every year. Just simply look at Galaxy S24 Ultra. They promised na February ang rollout ng One UI 7. Dinelay sa April para makabenta ng S25 Ultra. Honestly, natuwa naman dito sa phone na ito. It's probably one of the better ones na nilaman si Samsung, and nothing really much has changed dito sa kanya. And it also comes together with yung AI eraser niya, which is definitely going to be useful if you use it. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung sample. So let's take a photo na nakatakip kalahati mukha ko. So i-erase lang natin yung aking kamay. Press natin erase button. Ayan, so magana siya. Erase niya. Generate. Yan natin ang itsura natin. Nakakatawa, humaba yung baba ko dito, no? And nakakatawa rin sa likod, nagkaroon ng finger. It's just funny. So that's one of the AI capabilities na kaya ng Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus na also kaya din ng S25 Ultra and S25. Now overall for me, I would honestly pick the S25 Plus over the S25 Ultra simply because mas okay to sa aking kamay. I don't want to feel yung medyo pagka-chunkiness ng S25 Ultra. And I believe that this one is already powerful enough for my daily requirements. Kaya guys, anong tingin nyo? Sapat na ba sa inyo ang S25 Plus? Let me hear you out on the comments. And if you want to know kung saan pwede mabili ito phone na ito, I'll pop the link on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a quick sub sa aking channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next video. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.